there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to be unboxing the very first TIG I've ever owned. I've never even used a TIG before. I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to unbox it. Maybe do a little test welding. I do not have the argon bottle right now, and I don't have the sticks. I'm waiting for those to get here. But first thing first, we have to build a table because, well, this table didn't fare out very well. So I went down to the metal shop. I got them to bend me a piece that's 36 inches wide and then 1-inch lips on it. And I got this pipe cut. That'll be the bracings. And we have the legs here from an old foldable table. So that way I can fold this thing up, lean it against the wall, and get it out of the road because, well, you guys know I don't have a very big shop. So let's get this all set up. We'll get the table welded together. We'll get the box out here and unbox the TIG and see what it actually comes with. And there's the table. Here, I'll let you guys see some of my welds for all you welding guys who can make fun of them. But I was trying to rush it as fast as I possibly could. So some of the welds didn't get very pretty. But now the big thing is, does the legs fold? They need a little oil. Voila, they fold up, look nice. So now, when I don't need it, I can lean it right against the wall, and that's gonna only take up about 6 inches or so, maybe a little more. Yeah, something like that. So, whoa, let me sit this back down. There they are, they're all folded now. You can see they work. And yeah, I recently had to replace my MIG gun. This MIG gun works pretty good. Works really good, actually. It was a cheap one off Amazon. Because, come down here, My old one was looking a little rough. Yeah, got a doorbell in there for the button. And it does really have to keep it straight just to keep welding properly. So now let's get this table set up, get the TIG out, and get it unboxed. Now you can see the table at least is going to hold the welder. And this is the welder I ended up getting. The Eastwood TIG 200 AC/DC welder. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what it actually looks like. The instruction manual, which I'm probably going to need. Packing, more packing, more packing. It's actually packaged really nice. Oh. Got the regulator valve. Some packing. With this box. Fancy handheld shield that will probably go somewhere scrappy. Got the gas lines. Wow, really nice ground clamp. Oh, packing. Packing. Oh, this is the adapter cable because this goes from 220 or 240 down to 110. Probably never do that. More packing. There we go. Oh. There's the welder. More packing. More packing. One of the main reasons I went with this one versus a cheaper Amazon one, this pedal right here, because it's all adjustable here. And then that's it for that box. Don't need the box anymore. Ooh. Pretty little blue bag. What's in this bag? Oh, a torch. Torch. That's nice. And a bag of consumables, I guess. With the tungsten, a couple of cups. And that's all that's in that bag. That's going to be nice because that is the same exact plug as my Hobart model there. So I won't have to do anything with that. The only problem is I'm going to have to do is, now I have to build a bigger welding cart. I guess let's get this thing put together here. Alright, here's a close-up of the welder. The Eastwood TIG 200. It's got the torch. Now this one has the button on the back of it. I hope I didn't break that cup. And then, like I said, this is the part that needs to be replaced. If you guys can see how it's just a little swish and it won't go into the terminal here. The ground clamp, really nice ground clamp. The owner's manual, the 240 to 110 plug. That was the consumable bags that came in. And a handheld face shield. So I'm not exactly sure how that would work with TIGging, because you need 2 hands to TIG weld. You almost need 3 hands to use that thing, I guess. And then the bag of consumables. Got 3 different cups. One's on the torch. And 2 different tungstens, a red one and a green tungsten. And extendable tube as well as the button on the torch. Got the regulator and the gas hose. That's the regulator. Doesn't look like a really cheap one, but doesn't look like a really expensive one either. But let me walk around the back here and see what I'll show you. And there's the on and off switch. It's like a breaker style. 2 big fans to really keep it cool. My opinion, it seems like a really good welder, good quality welder. The reason I went with this welder is because I was going to just buy a cheap Amazon or eBay one, but I wanted to definitely get the AC/DC TIG because I wanted to weld aluminum. And to get one of the cheap Chinese ones, it was like $100 less than this welder, but they did not come with the adjustable foot pedal, which this one does, and that's what I really wanted. And until I bought the adjustable foot pedal, it was the same price as this machine. So I ended up picking this one up from Eastwood, and not only that, this one comes with a warranty. The cheap ones on Amazon and eBay did not. This one comes with, I think their warranty is a 90-day money-back guarantee, or it's a 3-year warranty. So this is the one I went with. I know it's not the fanciest thing. Like they say, it's the stripped-down model. So it doesn't have like the pulse or anything of that nature. It's not electronic screens. But I didn't really need that. All I really care about is being able to weld, and weld decent. First time taking did not go over too well. I have to learn how to grind the tungsten a lot better than what I did. But because I could see the flame was hopping all over creation, or the arc was hopping all over. But there's some of them. They're definitely not pretty at all. So I'll keep working at this, see if I can get better at it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys at the next one. Yeah.